My name's James. James the cat. Share my fame. Drop in for a chat. I'm a fat diplomat. Call me king of the corner house, James the cat.
It was a bright spring day in the garden of the corner house. James had started his official spring cleaning. Well, everyone else was doing the cleaning. Mrs. Lavender was scrubbing. Dennis was busy in the garden. Citron was on pond duty. Rocky was smartening up the garage. And Frida was window cleaning. It's my very own Kanga Clean device. Only James was doing nothing, as usual. He was in the attic, playing with his old toys. A worn felt mouse. I haven't played with Mousy since I was a kitten. And a one-eyed teddy bear. And what was this teddy called? And my cousin Otto. I haven't seen him in ages. I wonder how he is. Cooey? James? Oh, playing with your old toys while we're doing all the work? Well, you've got a visitor. He's a VIP, like you. Like me?
Otto, Lord Bodsey, at your service.
It's my cousin Otto, Auntie Maud's son.
It's very interesting to meet you all. And Mummy says, well done, James, on becoming a VIP.
James was in shock. Otto had become a splendid figure, and without really trying, impressed everyone. Oh, he's so handsome. He's so cultured. He can speak French.
He's so kind.
Gosh, strike me purple, he's genuinely nice.
Yes, he's so very interested in everything.
Don't be so horrid, James. We all know you're just plain jealous.
Even Pa Rat approved of Otto.
Anytime you need a driver, look no further, eh?
Thank you all very much. My visit has been most interesting.
Oh, very interesting.
And my special thanks to my cousin for his kindness.
Otto's gift was too much for James. Since they were kittens, he had wanted Otto's toy rabbit.
You've always been nicer than me, Otto. I'm just a fat, black and white, second-hand cat.
Well, this is worse than when he's being horrid. Oh, we must do something.
Hey, Otto will have to show he ain't perfect. That'll really cheer the boss up.
While James sniffled in the marigold patch, Otto agreed to help.
Actually, I've never been able to climb trees. I can't swim terribly well. And I'm scared of the dwarf.
Oh, not much of a cat, are you, Otto, me old playmate? Never mind. I'll show you how to be a VIP cat. Yes, follow me. Do you remember the time when I dared you to tear the owner's newspaper to shreds? Yes, he just had it delivered. But he was livid. What a laugh we had. And the string, do you remember that? You chased it all over the place, pulled it out from under the stairs.
Well, meow, that was fun. And hey, guess who was coming to play with us now? None other than Big Sister, Little Brother. But there's a few surprises before that, so don't go away as our good night continues, right here on Sprout.
It's a clean